Linux Mint 22.3 HWE ISOs just dropped. Newer kernel for better hardware support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Linux desktops that are stable, user-friendly, and just work, you've probably got Linux Mint on your radar. Today, the Linux Mint team has released something that could make a big difference for many users, especially those with newer hardware. They've just published fresh HWE ISO images for Linux Mint 22.3, codenamed Zena, and these come packed with the newer Linux 6.17 kernel. Let me walk you through what this means, why they did it, and whether you should download these new images.
So, what are HWE ISOs? First, a quick explanation. HWE stands for Hardware Enablement. These are special ISO versions of the current stable release that include a more recent kernel from Ubuntu's repositories. The standard Linux Mint 22.3 ISOs ship with the 6.14 kernel. That's perfectly fine for most systems, and it was already an HWE kernel chosen to support newer AMD processors at the time of release. However, some users with very recent hardware reported compatibility issues during installation or with certain devices. Instead of waiting for the next major version, the Mint team decided to release updated installation media with the latest available HWE kernel, which right now is Linux 6.17.
So why now? The bigger picture. This move comes shortly after the team announced a significant change in their development strategy. Earlier this month, Linux Mint project leader Clement Lefebvre shared that starting with Linux Mint 23, they're adopting a longer development cycle. The next major release is now planned for around Christmas 2026. The goal? To spend more time polishing the desktop, fixing bugs, and delivering higher quality rather than rushing new features every 6 months. Because the gap to Mint 23 is now longer, they wanted to make sure users building fresh systems today, especially on modern laptops or desktops, don't run into hardware problems. That's exactly why these HWE ISOs exist. Important note, these are not a new point release or a full version upgrade. They're refreshed installation images of the exact same Linux Mint 22.3, just with a newer, thoroughly tested kernel included out of the box. The team has QA tested them and considers them stable.
Now, what's new in these ISOs? So what do you actually get? The familiar, beautiful Cinnamon desktop, the most popular choice. The lightweight XFCE edition. And the classic Mate edition. All three are now available as HWE ISOs with kernel 6.17 pulled from the latest Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS point release. This newer kernel generally brings better support for recent CPUs, GPUs, Wi-Fi chips, and other hardware, improved performance and power management in many cases, fixes for issues that the 6.14 kernel might have with brand new components. You can download them right now directly from the official Linux Mint website. There's a dedicated HWE page that lists the mirrors and checksums for verification.
So, who should download these? Here's the practical advice. If the regular Linux Mint 22.3 ISO boots and installs fine on your machine, you probably don't need the HWE version. Stick with the standard one for maximum stability. If you have brand new hardware and the normal ISO fails to boot properly, has Wi-Fi issues, graphics problems, or doesn't detect certain devices, try the HWE ISO first. For users who already have Linux Mint 22.3 installed, you don't need to reinstall. You can simply install the 6.17 kernel from the Update Manager or through the kernel selection tool. Multiple kernels can coexist, so you can test the new one safely and fall back if needed. A small heads up. Some users have reported occasional regressions with the 6.17 kernel on specific setups, like certain older NVIDIA cards or VirtualBox compatibility. Always test thoroughly, especially if you rely on particular hardware or software. Now, what this means for Linux Mint's future. This HWE ISO approach shows the team being pragmatic. With a longer cycle ahead, they're making sure the current stable release stays as usable as possible for new installations without forcing everyone to wait until late 2026.
They've also hinted at possibly introducing an alpha phase in future development, so the community can test big changes earlier and provide feedback. Overall, it's a user-focused decision that prioritizes reliability and hardware compatibility.
Now finally, conclusion. So, what do you think? Are you planning to try the new HWE ISOs for a fresh install? Or are you happy staying on the standard 22.3? If you've already tested the 6.17 kernel on Mint, drop your experience in the comments, good or bad. It helps the whole community. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Linux Mint and desktop Linux coverage, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep your systems updated, and I'll see you in the next one.